You know I've been blind for years, and I've been crying all these.
Hi everyone, in this video I'm just going to recreate Jacqueline Fernandez classic red lips with gold eyes look, and मैं use कर रही हूँ Colorbar के सारे products. So first I'm using Perfect Selfie Primer Oil and I'm just gonna apply all over my face like this. I'm just gonna merge this oil really nicely into my skin, and it is a perfect primer to prep your skin before any kind of makeup. So here I'm just applying some foundation and concealer, and I'm just gonna use all the new launches of Colorbar to create this look. And now let's just come to the brow. उसके लिए I'm using Wow brow pencil in terracotta twirl, और इसकी मदद से मैं अपने eyebrows को अच्छे से fill कर रही हूँ. It's a really nice waxy textured pencil. Next I'm taking Moon Lava eyeshadow. This is like a liquid eyeshadow and this is the shade Starry. And I'm just gonna apply it directly from the wand, और उसके बाद मैं अपनी ring finger की मदद से उसे अच्छे से blend करूँगी ताकि कोई harsh edges ना रहें. And look how pretty this looks, just the liquid eyeshadow. Next I'm going to use kajal. It's a scandal kajal, but I have lots of shades. So this one is Black Lingerie, and I'm just going to show you one by one ki kaun kaun se colors hain. And so this is the Black Lingerie, and this one is my Black Book, and you can see both are black, but you can see some difference as well. Next I have 003 Hot Chocolate. It's a beautiful brown kajal. It is very nice and pigmented kajal. Next I'm having 004 Heaven and Back, and this is glittery blue kajal. Next is 005 Quench Me, beautiful teal color. Then I have 006 Poolside, beautiful mint color. And then I have 007 Last Call. So these are all the kajal shades, really pretty and really pigmented, but I'm gonna use it's a scandal kajal in Black Lingerie, which is 001. और इसकी मदद से मैं एक क्रिएट कर रही हूँ लाइनर, विंग लाइनर, just like this. And now I'm gonna use Zoom and Whoosh mascara by Colorbar only. And I'm just gonna coat my lashes really nicely, both upper and lower lashes. Now let's come to the face, और उसके लिए I'm using CHEEKILLUSION blush in shade 013 Rosy Peach, beautiful shade for medium to dark skin tone. And I'm just gonna take some on the brush, and I'm just gonna apply onto my apples of cheeks, और थोड़ा सा इसको पीछे की तरफ लेके जाऊँगी towards my hairline, and I'm just gonna blend really nicely. Also I'm just gonna contour with the same shade because it's a little darker, so that's why I contoured with it. Then I'm taking Radiant Glow Illuminator in the shade Glamour, or I'm just gonna apply it on highest spots of my cheeks, bridge of nose, and yeah, Cupid's bow. Now let's come to the lips, and iske liye I have lots of options, so I'm just gonna show you swatches first. This one is Prickly Red 001, this one is 003 My Maroon, and then I have 002 Be Ready, beautiful red color. Then I have 004 Oh Tempt Me, beautiful nudish peach, not peach, pink color. Then I have 006 Desert Rose, and then I have 007 The Vintage. Next I'm having 008 Wild Peach. Then I have 009 Plum Shot, and then I have 011 In Vogue, beautiful nude color. I love this color. And then I have 012 Dark Cocoa, beautiful dark chocolate brown color. So these are the lipstick shades, and I'm just gonna use KISSPROOF lipstick in 001 Prickly Red, beautiful matte color. And as the name suggests, it is KISSPROOF. I'll be showing you the transfer test as well in the video, later in the video. And that completes my look. And they also have glosses. They have Starlit glosses. This is 001 Glare. Then next I have 002 Lustre, beautiful silverish whitish gloss. Then I have 003 Glitzy. Next we have 004 Ray, and then we have 005 Shimmy, beautiful copperish golden color. and then I have 006 Burst. So these are the 6 glosses, but I'm not gonna use any gloss because I love my matte lips, and this is the final look. Really classy and pretty look, and this is how the whole look looks like. And here I'm doing the transfer test, and look, no transfer, so it's really good quality lipsticks. And yeah, that's it for the video. I hope ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो.
We should give it a try. We need to take this love.
So if you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe, help me grow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy, bye bye, take care. Mwah.
And there's so much that